Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to discuss something different from our regular topics. So here I have a website Promei.pro. Okay, so as we are evolving in our technology and our capabilities, the AI becomes part of our life, and for even for civil engineers, it is like that. In this video, we'll explore how this AI, this particular Promeai will be useful for us, and we will skim through all the tools that are available for us. Okay, as a civil engineer or as an engineer in general or an architect. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I will go to first. We need to log in. So first, start creating, and I will just continue with the Gmail. So once you are logged in, it will show something like this. It will redirect to the home page, and you will have these options available. So here you might try. There are some options that you have available over here. Foremost thing, what we want to do is, for me, the default language here is English, and it's set to English, so it's displaying in English. But maybe for you, based on your reason, you may have to switch to other languages for your accessibility. So it has all other languages, all the popular languages: Chinese, Portuguese, Spanish, French, and I think this is Arabic, Russian, Dutch, this is Japanese, Hindi, Korean, and Italian. Okay, so these languages are available. So just make sure you are, switch to the language that you are most comfortable with. Just right here, you have the Chrome Academy. If you right click and open a new tab, you will have some tutorials that they already have uploaded on their website, and it has a direct link to the YouTube channel also. Okay, so what for another thing that we have to do it is here we have a support option also. So you can contact them wherever you want if you run into any issues. So first thing, I will go to my home page and the profile. I'm a profile, and then me just switch to profile. I didn't switch to profile. We go to the profile. Okay, here. So I have set my profile page and everything, and it's pretty simple to set. You can set your like all other social media. It's pretty simple to set. Okay, and here from here I can even share these. Okay, and once you share, you earn a coin that you can use and spend for using the AI tools and generations of some sort. Okay, here you see it's a 6,000 coins for me because it's pro version. It's a pro version. Let's go ahead and explore the version first. Here it's a pro version. Okay, and here you will see the other ways you can from earn coins from the site by sharing it, referring to your friends, and something like that. Okay, and as they sign up, you will be rewarded with the award. Okay, so let's see all other plans. So these are all other plans that you have here. Okay, so this is the base model. If depending upon your uses, you can subscribe to the each model. Right now I'm getting the pro version, which has all the options turned on, so we will be able to regenerate everything that we want using the AI. So let's go ahead and see here at the top we have AI tools options. Okay, so we have generation tools, workflows. Okay, so these things are over here for us as an engineer, or anyone who is just interested in sketch generation or rendering. These are the options that's most important for us. Okay, so let's go ahead. I will choose some options. For this, maybe I would check this AI architecture generator. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on it. So once you are clicked these options, you have these options. Okay, so this shows buildings in different environments and at different times of the day that you can generate. So these are the featured ones. Okay, okay, so what I want to do here, we can put a prompt here, and then this will generate, and you have to set out. So let's set a image like a building. Okay, and then it is asking for a scene. So we can, maybe I like this scene. Okay, so I just set this scene. Okay, and then perspective. So you have to select a perspective. Maybe I want from the road. I want to see from the road. So maybe this one perspective is fine for me. And negative front, what you don't want to see, you can put it like, don't put this particular thing, don't use this element. Okay, so you have to you can put it like that. And the ratio for the image size, so maybe I want it to be 4:3. That's the best ratio for me. And you can use fast mode. If you are a pro in the pro membership, you can use the fast mode also. You will just click here and you will see why it's written the crown. Okay, so I will just do it like that, and then you can set how many images you want. So for now, I just want it offers up to 6 images, but I want just for one image. Okay, so let's say generate. Okay, let it generate, and it's in the fast mode right now. So we will have this generated quickly. Okay, let's see what it generated. Okay, you see, perfect, 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 perfect. And when you click over it, it just opens it. So you see, it's a traditional, some sort of style, and there is a trees in the background, okay, with the balcony, have flowers on it, and as we stated there, okay. So this you can download also, okay, download for preview and full download. This also requires premium membership, and you can scale up also, okay. So if you scale up, it's just there, upscaler. From upscaler, you can just upscale your project that you have. You can just upload here, okay, and then generation history, it will go to the generation history. And so once it's loaded, here you have again prompts, and you can set a prompt, like maybe what I don't want is um, the sky. The sky, maybe I say clear sky. Clear sky, I just want the clear sky. Okay, don't want cloud. Clear blue sky. Blue sky. Okay, and then there is a template option to generate. This is something like natural and animated, so I'll just keep it natural. And creativity level, it says, so you just say hi. Okay, and right now you see the coin I have used is only one for this particular generation. So, okay, so this is the pro version. For the pro version, it's more than sufficient for your generations of certain clients. Okay, so let's generate. Okay, and this will take 2 coins as it states. Okay, you see it's reduced quickly. Okay. Just wait for a while and it will regenerate. So now it's regenerated, and here I see this one particular full download and upscale again. You can upscale again. Now you see its size is higher. Okay, and here you have option to edit and remix also. So if you just click on edit, okay, here, so you can do upscale, erase, replace, outpainting, image to video. You can take it to the video also, and region rendering also. Certain parts of that, and there are more effects and sketches also. More effect and these stuff also. Okay, so there are a lot of things. I don't think I can cover everything in one video. As I try myself a lot other things, I will just you know uh, update you guys with other features also that are useful for us. So I will just use this erase and replace thing. So I just click on it, and let's say what happens. So here you have erase and replace options. So again, here, from here you can just add the image that you have regenerated. Okay, I just click on it, that you have generated. Okay, so once it's loaded here, you see here you have action on the area. Okay, so you want to replace it, remove it, retouch it, recolor, or retexture, insert objects that you can do. You can even upload objects. Okay, so for this place, I will just want to, for this part, I want to replace it. So you see, as I hover through these elements, each is, identified, and, I can remove it individually. So let's say, let's do something like, maybe it's stupid, but let's see this one, this particular one. I want to replace it. Okay. So turn the erase part to this part, erase part to which I want it maybe to lotus flower. Okay. It's silly, but let's see what it does. Okay. So put it to fast mode. Okay. And then I generate only one image. So you see here, when I put it to fast mode, it requires more coins. Okay. And if I generate slow mode, then normal, like, it will need only zero point 0.1 coin. Okay, so I generate it. So just wait for a while and then it will generate. Let's see what how it turns out to be. Here you can see the update that you have. Okay, so let's see here we have it generated here. It's replaced with the flower, I think, the lotus flower. Let's see. Okay, so what it did was actually the prompt was silly, but still it created a lotus flower. For others, let's try again. Maybe for others we can do it better. Okay, let me just replace maybe this wall, with or maybe this. Let's replace this particular this road. Okay, with let's deselect it. If you if you clicking twice, if you click twice, then it will be deselected. Okay, so let's replace this road with concrete road. Okay, concrete road. Okay, with with what we'll saw. Just keep it concrete road. Okay, and then say generate. Let's see what it does. So you have here the progress. Okay, so here it's regenerating, as you see the progress. You can see it here. So it's regenerating. So I can scroll down. I can see it's already there. Okay, so let it load, or I can just click on this particular to view it. So as you can see, now it has replaced it with the road, concrete road. Okay, so this is the way you can replace. It's pretty good. Okay, uh, to regenerate this stuff, and you can then publish it. Okay, or you can keep it private. So you can publish it with this and everything. You can put the tags as you want. You can describe it, and you can even hide creation information. Okay, and then we can just publish here or share uh, through anyone with this link. Okay, can view or no access. So you just there will be a link, and then you can share. I will just copy this link. I will put it in the video below, so that you can view it. Okay, and make sure you follow us there here as well, and make sure you sign up with the tool so that you can try at on yourself for certain things that you want to do. And I will share affiliate link that may be useful for you. So as you so if you join through my link, you will get 10 coins, and I will also get 10 coins. So it's good, right? So you just join through my link over here. I will put it in the description below. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Have a great time.